Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this Sony AM/FM radio, super small, handheld. I think the model number is ICF-P26. So check this out. Nice packaging, LED indicators. Ooh, comes with a hand strap accessory. Nice. We'll check that out. Let's see. A little dented there, all good. Let's see, here's the back of the package. Cool LED indicator light when the battery's low. And this is battery powered, so it uses 2 AA batteries. Batteries not included, cheap. All right, let's go. Go. Excited for this. Never know when you'll need one of these for emergencies, in case power goes out. Alright, nothing exciting there. Installation guide. Probably nothing too exciting there. This is what you guys came here for, the main event. Ooh, nice accessory included. Let's go. All right. What is this? There's instructions they put on the antenna to make sure you read it. Oh, let's go. Ooh, what is this? What is this? What are they saying? I don't know what they're saying. All right, let's see. Let's try to figure this out. What are they saying? Oh, I guess quick instructions, but that's cool. I've never seen a instruction thing like that before. Oh, handheld. Gonna look gangster using this thing down the street. Tuning. Nice. Band AM or FM amplitude modulation or frequency modulation. Or off. Dope. Oh, battery powered, AA. And then gonna put the strap on, carry this down the street, listen to my gangster rap, the moment you guys have been waiting for. Ready? Hold up. Ready? Boom. Long antenna for the long range, picking up those AM FM signals from far away, guys. Cool. This looks dope. Excited to use it. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day and talk to you later.